Okay, right. Very good morning to all of you. So, yesterday we completed in material questions up to 134. Up to 134 we completed. Up to 134 we completed. Next you see question number 134. This is very important question. This is very important question. No doubt. So if A plus B is equal to 45 degrees, so then prove that 1 plus tan A 1 plus tan B it is equal to 2. So and hence deduce that tan 22.5 degrees equal to root 2 minus 1, and 22.5 degrees equal to root 2 minus 1. So here given condition is only A plus B is equal to 45 degrees. You take that. Given A plus B is equal to 45 degrees is given. Condition number 1 you take this is. So the solution in terms of tan is there. The solution in terms of tan is there. So taking tan on both sides, tan A plus B is equal tan 45 degrees. So tan A plus B formula, tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A into tan B, it is equal to tan 45 value 1. Again cross multiplication, tan A plus tan B, it is equal to 1 minus tan A into tan B. 1 minus tan A into tan B. Understand? Tan A into tan B. Next continuation. So tan A plus tan B equal to 1 minus tan A into tan B. So adding 1 on both sides. Adding 1 on both sides. So what happens? 1 plus tan A plus tan B, it is equal to, so not now, sorry, 1 minus tan A tan B plus 1. 1 is adding on both sides. Okay na? Next, all tan values write one side. So minus tan A tan B write left hand side, means 1 plus tan A plus tan B plus tan A into tan B. Tan A into tan B. So it is equal to 1 plus 1 2. It is equal to 1 plus 1. All tan values write one side. Understand? So next one. These two terms you write one pair. 1 plus tan A plus these two terms tan B is common. So remaining 1 plus tan A. So it is equal to 2. It is equal to 2. So again these two terms what value common? 1 plus tan A 1 plus tan B, it is equal to 1 plus tan A into 1 plus tan B equal to 2. We are going to prove that one only. We are going to prove that one only. First one is clear. First one is clear. The next one. Take condition number 1. If A is equal to B, substitute if A is equal to B in equation number 1. In equation number 1, what happens? A plus A is equal to 45. Okay, na? So A is 2A is equal 45 degrees. So A is equal 22.5 degrees. A is equal 22.5 degrees. Okay, now A value 22.5 degrees. The same condition you have to apply this. A is equal to B. What happens? This is condition number 1. This is condition number 2. Condition number 2. Okay, now this side completed. Note down fast. One side you complete it. One side you complete it. One side complete it fast. So substitute A equal to B in equation number 2. So what happens? That is 1 plus tan A, 1 plus tan A, it is equal to 2. So this is 1 plus tan A whole square, it is equal to 2. 1 plus tan A equal to root 2. So tan A equal to root 2 minus 1. Already A value is 22.5 degrees. So tan 22.5 degrees, it is equal to root 2 minus 1. Tan 22.5 degrees equal to root 2 minus 1. This is very important concept. So based on this, we have many JEE questions and KCET questions are there on this concept. Note down fast. Note down fast. See continuation. Next question number 138, 135, 136, 137, 137 ನಾವು already complete ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. So question number 138. See all of you. Question number 138. If tan A equal to 1 minus cos B divided by sin B, prove that tan 2A equal to tan B, where A and B are acute angles. Where A and B are acute angles. Where A and B be acute angles. This is also important bit. Listen. Given tan A equal to 1 minus cos B divided by sin B. We have formulas 1 minus cos 2 theta. What is our formula? 2 sin square theta. Adhe prakara 1 minus cos theta means 2 sin square theta by 2. Adhe prakara sin 2 theta. What is our formula? 2 sin theta cos theta. Sin theta formula adhe prakara 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Using those formulas we have to simplify this. So tan A equal to 1 minus cos theta formula you have to compare. So what happens? 2 sin square theta plus what is there? 3 by 2 is there. Same like this. Sin theta formula you have to compare. So 2 sin b by 2 cos b by 2. So sin cancel. 2 get cancel. Sin by cos. What is that? Tan A is equal tan b by 2. Both sides tan cancel. What happens? A is equal b by 2. So 2A equal to b. Cross multiplication ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ. So again applying tan on both sides. What happens? Tan 2A equal to tan b. So tan 2A is equal to tan. So that is our solution. That is our solution. Note down fast. That is our solution. So ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಗೆ ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವು beside ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ beside ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ನೋಟ್ ಡೌನ್ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್. Right, next one. Question number 139. Question number 139. Show that 4 sin A sin 60 degrees plus A sin 60 degrees minus A, it is equal to sin 3A. It is equal to sin 3A. Very simple bit and also very important. Show that 4 or same question they will ask in this way also. Sin A sin 60 degrees plus A sin 60 degrees minus A, it is equal to sin 3A divided by 4. Sin 3A divided by 4. Both are same answers. See this. So we know that sin 60 degrees plus A, sin A plus B sin A minus B, it is equal to sin square A minus sin square B. We know this formula. Using this one we have to solve. Take that LHS one. 4 sin A sin 60 degrees plus A sin 60 degrees minus A. So take this value 4 sin A write as it is. 6 sin 60 plus A sin 60 minus A means sin A plus B sin A minus B. A is equal to 60 degrees, B is equal to A. So what happens? That is Sine square 60 degrees minus sine square a. Sine square 60 degrees minus sine square a. Now 4 sine a sine 60 degrees root 3 by 2 whole square. Root 3 by 2 whole square minus sine square a. 4 sine a, this value 3 by 4 minus sine square. Again multiply with sine a. 4 sine a, what happens? 4 get cancelled. 3 sine a minus 4 sine cube a. 4 sine cube a. 4 sine a is multiplied with, so we are getting 3 sine a minus 4 sine cube a. So what is that formula? Sine 3a, that formula. Sine 3a, that formula. Note down fast. Note down. Next question number 140. So what is given? Show that 4 cos a cos 60 degrees minus a cos 60 degrees plus a, it is equal to cos 4a. It is equal to cos 4a. So this question may ask in this way also. Cos a cos 60 degrees plus a cos 60 degrees minus a, it is equal to cos 4a divided by 4. 4a na 3a na? 3a. 3a divided by 4. Now see that simplification. We know that one formula. We know that cos a plus b, cos a minus b equal to cos square a minus sin square b. Cos square a minus sin square b. To take the LHS value, 4 cos a cos 60 degrees plus a cos 60 degrees minus a, it is equal to 4 cos a, write as it is these two terms, cos a plus b cos a minus b. So a is equal to 60 degrees and b is equal to a. Right, so apply that formula. Cos square 60 degrees minus sin square a. Sin square a. So what happens? 4 cos a bracket of cos square 60 means 1 by 2 whole square minus. So the solution in terms of cos you should convert. So sin square a means 1 minus cos square a. 1 minus cos square a. Understand? So now 4 cos a bracket 1 by 4. So again multiply with minus plus cos square a. Cos square a. 1 by 4 minus 1 means how much that value? 4 cos a. 1 by 4 minus 1 means how much that value? Minus 3 by 4. Minus 3 by 4 plus cos square a. Again multiply with 4 cos a. What happens? Minus 3 cos a plus 4 cos cube a. So 4 cos cube A minus 3 cos A is nothing but cos 3A formula. It is nothing but cos 3A formula. Understand? Note down fast. These two questions, these two formulas are related questions. Related questions, note down question number what? 141. So prove that sine 20 degrees, sine 40 degrees, sine 60 degrees, sine 80 degrees, it is equal to 3 by 60. The problem is related to 4 sine A, sine 60 plus A, sine 60 minus A equal to sine 3A. So related question, right? So sine 20 degrees, sine 40 degrees, sine 60 degrees, sine 80 degrees you take. So sine 60 degrees value 1 by 2, you know that, sorry. Root 3 by 2. You know that, you write first. After that, sine 20 degrees, sine 40 degrees can be written as 60 degrees minus 20 degrees, and 80 degrees can be written as sine 60 degrees plus 20 degrees. Now compare with your formula. So what is our formula? Root 3 by 2 sine A sine 60 plus A sine 60 degrees minus A, it is equal to sine 3A divided by 4. Using this formula, you have to see. So here 60 plus 60 is there. A is equal to what? A is equal to what? 20 degrees. A is equal to 20. A is equal to 20 in this problem. So sine 3A, this formula 3A. So 3 in A value 20 degrees divided by 4. Next 2 into 4 8. So root 3 by 8 into sine 3 into 20 60. Sine 60 value root 3 by 2. So root 3 divided by 8 into 2 16. That is our solution. That is our solution. Note down fast. Note down fast. So write next question. Prove that cos 20 degrees, cos 40 degrees, cos 60 degrees, cos 80 degrees equal to 1 by 16. Take that cos 20 degrees, cos 40 degrees, cos 60 degrees, cos 80 degrees. So cos 60 degrees value 1 by 2 into cos 20 degrees, cos 40 can be written as cos 60 degrees minus 20 degrees. Cos 40 can be written as 60 minus 20. Cos 80 degrees can be written as 60 plus 20. 1 by 2 into this is cos 3A by 4 equal to cos A cos 60 plus A cos 60 minus into cos A is equal to what? 20 degrees. So 3 into 20 degrees divided by 4. So 2 into 4, 8, 1 by 8 into cos 60 degrees value 1 by 2. So this is 1 by 16. That is 1 by 16. Note down fast. 1 by 16. Show that tan A tan 60 degrees plus A tan 60 degrees minus A equal to tan 3A. Tan 3A. So take the LHS value. Tan A tan 60 degrees plus A tan 60 degrees minus A. So tan A means what? Tan A means what? Sin A by cos A into tan 60 plus A means it can be written as sin 60 degrees plus A divided by cos 60 degrees plus A into tan 60 degrees minus A means sin 60 degrees minus A divided by cos 60 degrees minus A. Now we know that already these formulas sin A, sin 60 degrees plus A, sin 60 degrees minus A. What is that formula? Sin 3A divided by 4 whole divided by again cos A, cos 60 degrees plus A, cos 60 degrees minus A. So what is that formula? Cos 3A by 4. So what is it meaning? 4 get cancelled. Sin by cos means tan 3A. Sin by cos means tan 3A your solution. Note down fast. Note down fast. Again, next question in your material. So this 141 question number 141 in your material. So continuation numbers we take. 141 your material. 141 your material. Prove that 2 sin A minus sin 2A is divided by 2 sin A plus sin 2A. It is equal to tan square A by, it is equal to tan square A by, it is equal to tan square A by. I take that LHS value 2 sin A minus sin 2A divided by 2 sin A plus sin 2A. So it is equal to 2 sin A minus sin 2A formula. 2 sin A cos A divided by same like that in 2 sin A plus 2 sin A cos A. It is equal to, see here, 2 sin A common in the numerator and denominator. So what happens? So 2 sin A common in numerator, 1 minus cos A divided by, here also common. So 2 sin A is common. So remaining 1 plus cos. So both will be cancelled. 2 sin A cancel. So remaining 1 minus cos A, 1 plus cos. 1 minus cos theta formula is what? 2 sin square A by 2. 1 plus cos A means what? 2 cos square A by 2. So these two formulas were taken from cos 2 theta formula. So 2 get cancelled. So remaining sin by cos means tan square A by 2. Tan square A by 2. These formulas you write beside 1 minus cos 2 theta equal to 2 sin square theta. 1 minus cos theta equal to 2 sin square theta by 2. So 1 plus cos 2 theta equal to 2 cos square theta. 1 plus cos theta equal to 2 cos square theta by 2. So a related formulas I was written beside of that question. Related formulas was written beside of that formula, beside of that problem. So note down fast. Note down fast. Next question number 142 in our material. So what is that? Prove that sin 4x cos 2x sin 4x cos 2x divided by 1 plus cos 4x 1 plus cos 2x. It is equal to tan x. It is equal to tan x. Okay na? Listen carefully this one. Sin 4x into cos 2x, you take LHS value, divided by 1 plus cos 4x 1 plus cos 2x. So you write formula. Sin 4x can be written as sin 2 of 2x. 2 of 2x means 2 into 2x into cos 2x, right as it is, divided by 1 plus cos 4x can be written as 2 of 2x. 2 of 2x into 1 plus cos 2 3x. Okay, understand? So we have already formulas. 1 plus cos 2 theta means 2 cos square theta. Okay na? Like sin 2 theta formula, 2 sin theta cos theta. 2 sin theta cos theta. See first value sin 2 theta. Theta is equal to what here? 2x. So apply that formula. 2 sin 2x cos 2x. So theta place here what is there? 2x. So right, 2 sin 2x cos 2x into cos 2x, right as it is, divided by. So 1 plus cos 2 theta. Theta place what is there? 2x. What happens? 2 cos square 2x into. So 1 plus cos 2 theta. What is our formula? 2 cos square x. This one as it is. Understand? Now 2 get cancelled. So cos 2x, cos 2x, cos square 2x will be cancelled. Remaining numerator sin 2x is remaining, divided by 2 cos square x. Now expand. Sin 2x formula, 2 sin x cos x divided by 2 cos square x. So 2 get cancelled, 1 cos will be cancelled, remaining sin by cos. Sin x by cos x. It is equal to tan x. That is our solution. That is our solution. Note down fast. Still any doubts in this? So beside I was written what formulas we used in this problem. Beside I was written note down. Continuation. 143. If sin A equal to 3 by 5 and A is acute, find the values of sin 2A and cos 2A. Sin 2A and cos 2. See this. Theta is acute. Okay, na? Theta is acute means A is acute means what? Less than 90 degrees. Okay, na? Less than 90 degrees means what? A is in first quadrant. So first quadrant means all trigonometric functions are positive. Right? Given like models already completed, sin A is equal to 3 by 5. So you take one right angle triangle. This is 3, this is 5, obviously this is 4. From this right angle triangle you write cos A value. What happens? 4 by 5. Okay, right? After that you take sin 2A value, you simplify. So sin 2A formula is what? Sin 2A formula 2 sin A cos. So 2 into A is acute and A is acute. A is acute means and A is first quadrant. So 2 into sin A value 3 by 5 into cos A value 4 by 5. So what happens? So 2 into 3 6, 6 into 4 24 divided by 25. Sin 2A equal to 24 by 25. Similarly, you simplify cos 2A value. Cos 2A value is what? You can take any one formula. So I will take 2 cos square A minus 1. I take this one. 2 into cos A 4 by 5 whole square minus 1. So 2 into 4 square means 16 divided by 25 minus 1. 16 divided by 25 minus 1. Then you do simplification. So LCM is 25. 16 into 2. that is 32 minus 20. How much the value? 7 by 20. So cos 2a equal to 7 by 20. Cos 2a equal to 7 by 25. So you can use cos 2a formula in terms of sin 1 minus 2 sin square a. Also you take cos 2a, another formula is there, 1 minus tan square a divided by 1 plus tan square. You can use any one. We are getting the same solution. 7 by 25. 7 by 25 we are getting. Okay students. So remaining questions we will practice in next class. Okay, so you have to practice test problems. So what is our test problems? 3.1, 3a, 3.2, and before 3.3 all theory also you have to practice. Whatever we explained theory, so that theory also you have to practice. Okay, thank you all.